So yeah guys, I showed you my scooter. As you can see, it's all fucked up, not dialed. It's missing hollow stuff on the headset, like the lock on it. And yeah, so I bought parts to upgrade my scooter because I got jack, you know. So yeah, let's open this up. It's from Chad Williams Smoking Scooter, and my forks are from Droplin Scooters. So yeah, I'll open this up and I'll be back. So yeah guys, they got it open, and then yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I have my FSA Hammer headset. Open this up. Yep, Hammer. I don't want to open that. Oh, with the FSA sticker inside. Yep, like a boss. And then I think these are my Proto wheels. Let's open that later. My Lucky Double Clamp, oversized, raw. Lucky print. Those are newer version. And then oh shit, Smoking Scooter sticker. The HIC, the plastic one from Lucky Scooter. It's about 20 bucks with starter and bolt inside. And then we have Mad Gear K1 bearings. Yep, Mad Gear K1 with spacers too. I got those for my wheel protos with those back inside. And then yep. So now let's open my protos. Oh god, so sick, can't wait. Alright, here we go, my protos. Oh, let's open this up and then I'll show you. Okay, so Proto sticker, the Rocky style one, green. These are the wheels, grippers, so gold print. I believe it is, so it says here, gripper, gold print, softer, smoother, faster. And then slider, silver print, harder, stronger, longest wear. Many people say they suck, but I want to try them and I don't care because nobody buys them, not much people. And my friend, they all have sliders, so I want to try this out. And I like the color, I'll match there. And then, yeah, later guys. And then watch my update video. It's gonna be coming soon. Update on this scooter check. And then updates. So yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. The fork. I already opened this right now. So open this up. Yep. Here it is. So package. They look like Phoenix, but they're this brand. They're not that expensive. Just don't ask. Advertising card. Go check it out. www. Says there. dropinscooters.com. 10% off. I'll keep that. And then let's open the forks. Yep. Wait a minute. Yep, here they are. Phoenix fork. I mean not Phoenix, I mean this fork. They look alike Phoenix. Go check it out. It's called this. Hey, here's the fork. Yep, with the built-in starter. The thing is, it doesn't say Phoenix there because they're the this thingy. So yeah, later guys, peace out, and then check for my update video, my scooter check update. So yeah, later.